Here we go. Here we go.
What's going on, you guys? Quick update here on Litecoin. In this video, I want to look at Litecoin potentially having a nice 30 to 40% breakout very soon. I want to go over kind of why I'm looking at this. I have the Litecoin Bitcoin pairing here pulled up, so I want to take a look at that and compare it to the USD chart. Guys, the halving is only a month away, and this kind of stuff, I find it very interesting, so I really just want to dive into this. Not waste too much time getting into it. I'm not going to spend a lot of time in this video. It's going to be pretty short. So if you're new, hit the like, subscribe, post notifications, follow me on Twitter, all the good stuff, and we can just jump right into the video really quick. Clearly, you can see over the past few weeks just how drastically Litecoin has fallen, right? It's about 44% from the 50 moving average right here, the blue line. So you see that extremely far from the moving average. If we take this out, so we take it from the moving average here to the current price, about 28%. Now, does Litecoin always hug the moving average? No, it doesn't. However, you can see very, very clearly, without even wasting a few seconds, you can see just how clearly divergent it is from the blue line. Now, it's so much more underneath it than it's been this entire past year and a half. So this entire bear market up until these last few months that people are considering a bull market, right? So let's imagine a scenario where Litecoin has obviously not been performing very well. People have been commenting on it for the past 2 weeks or so because Litecoin was performing extremely well. You can see it was actually up about 60%. It went up 60% in a very short amount of time. Now you can see it's not been performing well compared to its Bitcoin pairing. The rest of the market, for the most part, has not either. However, you do see Litecoin lagging behind a fair amount more than the rest of the market the past few weeks. Granted, I think it's because Litecoin had such a big run. It kind of had its run first, right? So Litecoin is about 30% away from the moving average here. This is on the Bitcoin pairing. This zone here has only been being tested for about a day or two now, not very long. But you can see, I had this line drawn in my video yesterday. You can see clear support. Again, guys, I only really cover ever basic stuff on this. I don't consider myself a technical analyst. Anytime I get a comment where somebody's like, saying any comment in any way referring to me as a technical analyst or anything like that, it kind of makes me cringe a little bit because I think for the most part, you guys know that I kind of make videos because it's something I'm interested in, something I'm passionate about, something I like, but it's not something I've ever claimed to be like professional, In fact, most people on YouTube are not either. As far as I'm concerned, unless you have like an open account where you show successful trades or not successful trades, I wouldn't really consider you a technical analyst. That's just my opinion. But yeah, I'm definitely not one. That doesn't mean that I don't get things right from time to time and wrong from time to time as well. But really the point is to look at the market and look at possibilities, get people interested. At the end of the day, my entire goal is just get people interested. So this area clearly seems to have some major significance in terms of Litecoin Bitcoin pairing here. Obviously, the next two biggest ones, I would argue, the like 2% of a Bitcoin right here and about 0.5% of a Bitcoin here. So that's what these two lines are here. So let's kind of take that and we put that onto the Litecoin chart. This is where it gets kind of interesting. You put 20 to 30% increase from the current price here for Litecoin. 20-30% puts us right exactly in the middle of this channel. You can see something else interesting about this channel is that right now we're literally hugging the very bottom of it. We did come out of it for a day, and now we're basically just touching it again right now. We've been in this upward channel since December of 2018, so about 7 or 8 months ago at this point. So it's been a very long time we've been in this channel. There have been numerous times where we have touched the bottom of it. You can even see we kind of exited a little bit. But we have seen over and over again over the past 7 or 8 months consistent recoveries back to either the middle or the top, as you can see here, from out, a little outside of it, right back to pretty much the middle here, and from being in the middle basically to the very top of it, falling out of it again, going to the middle. Something I think that would nicely line up with the Litecoin Bitcoin pairing there as a nice 20-30% gain there up to the middle. And if things remain bullish, potentially another move up into this area, 170 to 190 area. Again, Litecoin halving's right here. So if we follow exactly what happened in the last halving, we would just continue to go down for the next month. And then past that, similar to last halving. However, if you guys know, if you watch these videos, I don't necessarily think just because something happened in the past, it's going to happen again. So that's it for this video. If you guys are new, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you in the next video.